Yes, in this lecture we'll see what is if statement in Python. So how we can work with if statement in Python. So first of all, whenever we write some conditions, we'll be using Boolean expressions, right? So these Boolean expressions are going to produce either true or false. Okay, they are going to produce either true or false. So let's see some of these examples here. 5 double equal to 5. 5 and 5 both are equal, right? So this is going to produce true. 5 not equal to 5, condition is false. That's why it is going to produce false. And next, 3 less than 2, condition is false. 3 less than or equal to 3, condition is true. And A is compared with B. A is less than B. So lexicographically A is less than B, right? So this is going to produce true. Now, if you are writing any empty container, in that case it is going to produce false. Okay. So empty in the sense you're not writing anything inside a string, or if you are taking an empty list or empty tuple. Okay. So all these things are examples of the empty containers. Okay. And now let's see the syntax of the if statement. So first you have to write keyword if followed by the conditional expression and mention the colon. Okay. And immediately if you press enter, it will take you to the next level of indentation. So this is at one level and this is at another level, the next level of indentation, and the code related to this if block will be written here. Okay. And this line is outside the if block. Okay. So exactly saying these two lines, you can see this is the if condition and this is the statement inside the if block. Okay. And this statement is outside the if block. Okay. Now let's see an example. You can also import the values from the math library or module. Okay. So from math module, I'm going to import everything. So where I'm considering value of pi and value of e. Okay. So pi is greater than e, condition becomes true, and it is going to print the associated statement, which is pi is bigger than e. This will produce pi is bigger than e. So it will be the corresponding output. Okay. That's it. Thank you.